Today I wanted to show you our progress on the bug, and as you can see, we have the circuitry here, and on the left side you can see the microphone is facing outward on the electrical strip box. It goes right over that hole there. This circuit will be mounted with mounting wires. If I turn it over here, you'll see that the microphone lines up directly with the hole, grounding hole on the plug box. This is the US style for now. This is there's gonna be a little bit of a tuning screw that'll be necessary for this style of transmitter, and the top will have a slight screw hole above it, just needle diameter, just large enough to be able to tune the transmitter if needed. You can see that it's I've been honing out this the insides of this box, and I'll complete it within a few hours in order to put this battery holster. This first design is going to have a battery, but what we will be using is not these power wires, but we will be using the ground, and we'll be using this switch box so that you can turn the device on and off without having to take it apart. The one thing that's going to be a little bit cumbersome, but is doable from what we've seen in the competitors, is this will have an antenna. We can make it any color, but for now it's going to be around 160 centimeters from the frequencies we'll be using. You can cut that in half. I have not tested it at 160 centimeters until we get an absorption chamber, but you're more than welcome to try it out with half the length of that wire, and that will be inside here, inside the box, and it'll have to be fed through, packaged in the box here, but it'll be fed through one of the grounding holes and then protruded up as high as possible, or along a cable, or along anything you plug into this, although this is not going to be operational. US plug, you can plug into any power adapter for any country. This is just, like I said, the prototype. The distance on this is, I've gotten it up to, what did I say, 300 feet? Was it about 100 meters? No, sorry, it was about 500 meters. 300 meters, I think, is what I got it up to, with obstructions. But this one is supposed to get up to 1,000 meters with open air. For now, this will be 9 volts, and if you want a larger range, we can increase the power. I'm also going to modify this this circuit for updated components for better range, for better sensitivity. Let me know what you think. It's almost coming your way. I'd say probably about 5 or 6 hours of me fine-tuning it, specifically in here for the battery case. And once closed up, it'll just look like a regular power strip. One caveat is that, I had to open this up a little bit, so I'll try and tape this up, slide it inside so it looks just like a normal box. First time use, you'll have to unscrew these and feed the antenna out. But everything else will be packaged up nice and tight. You won't even have to touch it. You just have to turn the switch on, feed the wire through one of those holes, the antenna, and off you go. Let me know what you think.